Google Pixel 9a with Gemini. Smart, affordable, and surprisingly powerful. Your video on the Google Pixel 9a with Gemini delivers exactly what potential buyers want. A clear, honest breakdown that blends hands-on impressions with real-world performance. It's well-paced, visually engaging, and easy to follow, making it perfect for both tech enthusiasts and everyday users curious about Google's latest budget-friendly powerhouse. Design and build quality. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You open with crisp shots of the Pixel 9a sleek, minimalist build, showing off Google's signature two-tone finish and durable construction. Your commentary on its lightweight feel, comfortable grip, and Gorilla Glass protection helps viewers understand how it stands up to daily use. The fact that it's water and dust-resistant is explained clearly, reassuring buyers who value durability. Display: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. The 9AS OLED display is a standout, and you present it beautifully. Your footage highlights the sharp FHD Plus resolution, smooth 120Hz refresh rate, and excellent color reproduction. Side-by-side comparisons with other devices really help show the vibrancy and clarity. Mentioning brightness performance in outdoor sunlight was a great detail that many reviewers overlook. Performance with Gemini AI. White medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. This is where your review gets especially valuable. You not only list the specs, Tensor G4 chip, 8 GB RAM, and on-device Gemini AI integration, but also demonstrate how these features work in daily life. From AI-assisted photo editing and smart summarization to voice commands and real-time translation, you give tangible examples that show how Gemini isn't just a gimmick. It's genuinely useful. Camera system: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star 1/2. Your camera tests are thorough, covering daylight, low-light, and portrait scenarios. The 9AS main and ultra-wide lenses shine in your samples, with excellent dynamic range and sharpness. You point out that while it doesn't have every flagship feature, the computational photography powered by Google's AI still makes it one of the best in its price range. Your inclusion of video stabilization and 4K footage was a smart touch. Battery life and charging: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You clearly explain the official 24+ hour battery claim and back it up with your real-world testing. Covering charging speed in the absence of wireless charging was important. Viewers appreciate knowing trade-offs up front. Software and updates: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. Your coverage of stock Android 15 with Gemini AI features, plus Google's promised years of updates, is a big selling point for long-term buyers. You highlight clean UI, fast security patches, and exclusive Pixel features like Call Screen and Magic Eraser, which adds to the value proposition. Final verdict: white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star, white medium star. You wrap up by positioning the Pixel 9a with Gemini as the ideal choice for anyone who wants a premium software experience, strong AI tools, and reliable hardware without paying flagship prices. Your balanced tone, acknowledging where it's not as feature-rich as the Pro models while celebrating its strengths, makes your review feel trustworthy and relatable. Overall rating: 4.8/5. Your video nails the sweet spot between entertainment and technical depth. Whether someone is upgrading from an older Pixel, switching from another brand, or just curious about Gemini-powered AI in a budget phone, your review delivers the information they need to make a confident decision.